Hello, welcome back. Let's create this simple product animation advertisement in Canva, a designing platform where there will be this vertical video, and then we're going to make the text flicker, and then we're going to, make the product fall down. For example, this shoe, and then it'll look like this pretty much. So let's start creating one. Click on video, and then click on mobile video, so that it's vertical, and then add some background. Click on the workspace, and then click on the color wheel icon, and then let's say if you want this color, just like this. And then let's add some text, shall we? Click on text, click on add the heading, and then let's say if you want to type new shoes, just like so. And then we change the font type to, let's say, horizon, just like this. And then you can adjust the line spacing and the letter spacing as well, just like so. And then we can increase the size. Then place it here, for example. And then let's make it flicker. So for example, this ad will be shown on your Instagram story. So it should be lying, beyond this line, and then, you make it flicker. Go to animate, and then go to neon. And then change the writing style into character so that, all of the letters will flicker one by one. Increase the intensity if needed, just like so. And then let's add the shoe. Go to elements. Let's say if you want to, look for an image of a shoe, for example, and then you want to, let's say, pick this shoe, just like so. And then you can even rotate it just like this. Let's animate this, but scale it first. Actually, scale it so that it looks like this pretty much. And then let's animate this. All we have to do is to go to animate, and then click on create an animation. But first we have to make it disappear so that it's positioned here. Zoom it out, hold the shift key just like this, and then hold on, go to animate, click on create an animation. Afterwards, by clicking on create an animation, you drag the shoe in real time so that the animation will be generated as you're dragging the shoe. So hold the shift key and drag it downwards. Hold the shift key, drag it downwards, just like this, slowly, just like so. And then the animation of the shoe will be generated based on the movement of your hand, just like so. Then you can even extend it to, let's say, 10 seconds, so that it's 10 seconds long. And then if we play it, ooh, fancy, just like so. And then click on it, right click, show element timing, and then let's say if you want the shoe to appear from here, fancy. Let's put it to the front. Click on the image again, right click, align to page. No, hold on. And then we can add some more text. So click on text, and then click on add a heading. Get yours now, for example, and then make the alignment left. Set the alignment to left, and then pick a font, for example, this or this. And then you can do some tweaks with the line spacing, just like so. And then when you're done, shorten down the size, just like this. And then let's say if you want the text to appear here, and then from here the text will have effects as well. Go to effects, and then animate, and then afterwards you want to head over to clarify, burst. ascend, just like this. And then yeah, looks cool. And then add some shadows. So close it, elements, and then search for shadow elements, just like so, and then add it, just like this. And then make sure that it lies around here. So let's put some more like this blur kind of animation. So blur, just like this. Then it starts from around here. Alright, cool. Now your advertisement is ready. The shoe advertisement is all set now. The shoe fell down, and then there are more text elements that are captivating to the eyes. That's how you can do it in Canva. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.